So I'm working with these 3D printed electrode parts. There's the shell, and this one's a 4mm. And then there's also the carrier. There's two different parts inside this vessel here. Right now I'm working on the shell, which is the main body of the electrode. I've got to do a few things to it. For one, all the holes are slightly undersized. And so the first thing I'm going to do is drill out the exit hole for the electrode bundle in the bottom there. And in this case, I'm using a 0.024 drill bit, and I'm just ever so slightly removing the material. It's very close to the size of the drill bit, but I undersized the holes on purpose so that I can get an exact hole with a drill later. And maybe later, when we do a lot of these, I can fine tune that. And so the next thing I have to do is drill the holes for the drive screw. So it's one at the top and one at the bottom, and the screws are 000-120. And so my hole, this is a clearance drill, and so it's a 0.037 drill bit. And so I just go in there and take away a little material. And I go in from the top, do the same thing. And then finally I just pass it clean through. That's where the screw will pass through. So that takes care of the drill. And next I have to go in and remove a little, there's a little bit of slag, leftover remnants of the plastic inside there. It's basically right under the screw support. You can kind of see it there. So I've got this needle that I've bent in a 90-degree shape, and I can go in and go underneath that and break that away, because that will limit the travel of the electrode. So I just pop that away and dump that stuff out. And finally I will hit it with a burst of air just to blow away any dust or contaminations. You have to make sure you have a hold of that, because it will send it across the room if you don't. So this one's ready. I'll just move on. I've got several of these to do. So next I'm working on these carrier plates. These are fairly small parts. They're not so easy to handle. So I need to drill out the hole where the bundle is anchored in. And this is with an 0.24 drill. So the bundle will pass through there and then get glued on the top. And then next I need to drill out for the tap. This is an 0.26. And I'm going to drill and tap this hole. And this is for the drive screw. So this one's ready. And I like to blow off the debris here with a can of air. It's This clears the tap.